kau punya?
Tak ada ni. Dah lama Abang Ali tak pegang gitar.
Abang Usman pun sudah lama tidak main saxophone.
What? This is Azroy, DJI Phantom 3 Pro and a DJI Mavic Pro.
Kau maintain lah makan kuih tak kat tengah-tengah road. Aku tahulah nak raya.
Today we are flying the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic Pro. Let's go! .32 degrees is so hot. It's so hot. Did I say it is so hot? It's 2.5k coming down. This is called drone tanning. Anything for a shot. And now we are going to try the tracking mode. You can see this is what drone makes you do, all the stupid little stuff. Right now heading back to his office.
Yeah, we're heading back to my office. Welcome to my office. Oh, I'm sorry, it's a bit mess.
And now we are reviewing the footage that we took just now here at Azroy's office.
Take a look, I want to take my spectacle, man.